Hi, in this short tutorial, I will teach you how to make a braid like this. So this is similar to an I-cord, but it's way easier to make. We need 2 strands of yarns. So to start, make a slip knot. So we will now refer to these 2 strands as the top strand and the bottom strand. We will hold our top strand as usual, and the bottom strand, we will just pinch it like this. To start, we will use the yarn under method on your bottom strand and the yarn over method on your top strand. So this is how you do a yarn under. Go from the bottom and scoop the yarn up. Right, go from the bottom, scoop the yarn up. One more time, from the bottom, scoop it up. Then use the hand that you're holding the hook with to press the loop to secure it on the hook. Now we go with our usual yarn over for this top strand. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Right, let's try that again. Scoop the yarn from bottom, hold it, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Scoop, hold, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Just keep repeating until you reach the desired length for your detachable straps. So when you reach your desired length, you will just fasten off as usual. So you yarn over both of the strands and pull through. That's it.